Well, good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. I'm your girl, Mo, and today is Friday. What is today? August the 14th. And I'm getting ready to head to get a mammogram done. Hopefully you all are getting your preventative health maintenance, and mammogram is recommended for any women over the age of 40 yearly. So I am going to get that done. We already got our annual physicals out the way, PAP out the way, colorectal screening out the way. I am 45, so 45 and up, those colorectal screenings. So anyway, getting ready to head out. I will show you my outfit. My room looks a mess because I was rushing, but we are wearing a blue blazer. I was able to find short sleeve blazers, so that was good. Blue blazer from Amazon, white tank from Amazon. These denim jeans from Halara, so they're very stretchy, very comfortable. And then we have these, I guess yellow, look like kind of like a Mary Jane shoe from Shein. And then we have a New York hat. And so that is the outfit. Oh, and I'm carrying this Curves bag today. It's the blue and gray. So we're going to carry it on the blue side so that it matches. And this is the outfit for today. All right, so let's get out of here and go get this mammogram done. I also have to do a site visit. For those of you who do not know, I'm an administrator for a college, and so we do pop-up site visits for our online students to make sure they are where they're supposed to be. Actually, currently the term is over, but I just need to check out the site to make sure it's legit. So getting ready to go do that too. And I got to make one more stop to the DMV. Other than that, that's all that's on the agenda today. But Keon is going to take me because I have the best husband in the world, and so we'll probably hang out and do some more stuff. I'm going to take my computer in case he goes up to the shop to work. I'll be able to catch up on some work up there. But other than that, that's the plans for today. Next weekend we will be heading to Texas, so that'll be another travel vlog. If you've seen the last one, we were in Nashville. So yeah, it's been a busy month and will continue to be a busy month. But anyway, let's go. All right, so mammogram is done. Y'all, that probably was the most painful one I ever had. That one was pretty painful. I think it's gonna actually leave a bruise, but nevertheless, it's done, and I still highly recommend getting your preventative maintenance. Let's talk about mammograms. Tell me, what has your experience been with mammograms? Have they been painful? Have they been fine? You didn't have any issues with it? Are you getting them? Are you even getting your mammograms? And then I kind of wonder the difference between, like, is it more painful if you have larger size breasts versus smaller size breasts? Because I'm thinking, like, the way they have to put it in that machine and squish them down, if you don't have a lot to go in that machine, like, ooh. Or if you have a lot to go in that machine, like, I don't know. Let's just talk about it. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about your experiences with mammograms. Comment down below for me. But now we are heading to the site visit I was telling you about. So we're gonna run and do the site visit, and yeah. Yep. Very grateful. Some great things is happening with Verb. Right, babe? Yep. Really excited about what God is doing. But yeah, y'all, I just use this, I know I'll be jumping subjects, but I just use this one size oil sucker because I was very oily, and I was saying I didn't like it that much because it sprays out like forcefully. It seems like you like spray paint your face or something. That's what it sounds like. I know, it's like, but it does kind of, I think it did help with the oil on my face. Let me show y'all how it sprays out though. It sprays a lot. So I don't know, at first I didn't like it, but I think I like it now. I think my face looks more matted again. So yeah, I almost returned it, but I kept it, and now I'm glad I did. I think I like it.
You could have got some spray paint from Lowe's.
You could have got me some spray paint from Lowe's. I'm telling you, that is how it comes out pretty forcefully. Like, whew. But I think I like it. Like, it does make my makeup look more mattified again. So, we'll keep it. And that's the travel size, so you can just keep it in your purse. But anyway, let's head and get this site visit out of the way so I can chill with my babes. Alright, so we are now up at the shop. We've gotten everything done that we need to get done today. So I'm so happy about that. Kiana's putting together something. And I am getting ready to do some work. So we're just going to be up here chilling for a bit. And that's pretty much the rest of the day. We do have a guest coming over this evening. So we'll be getting home in the next couple hours. But for now, just chilling. I'm going to get some work done. I got the rest of it off and put on my this Medicube Hyaluronic Ceramide Jelly, and I'm gonna put on my Estee Lauder Anti-Aging Eye Cream, and I think it's okay. It's just the mask was like very drying. I don't know if it just pulled out everything or what, but it feels really good now. My skin feels good. So I use that for a while and see what I think. Good morning, guys. It is Sunday, August the 16th, and it is a church day, of course. So we're heading to Victory Norcross today to go worship the Lord. So yesterday I didn't record anything because I didn't do anything. I just did house stuff. But yeah, let's go to church.
Saints and angels, they bow before your throne, and all the elders cast their crowns before the Lamb of God and sing that again, all the saints and angels, and all the saints and angels, they bow before. Would walk the road of suffering, who whisper his spirit, the hands that hung the heavens were nailed to his creation.
Here's the deal. That may not be the compliment that you think that it is. Because sheep be dumb. Alright? Like, you're not gonna find a smart sheep. They're idiots. Sheep don't really know where to go to find pasture. Sheep cannot protect themselves. You will never find a warrior sheep. Like, sheep are...
All right, so we are out of church and back home, and we did have a great service He talked about us being sheep, and of course Jesus being our shepherd, and us being able to hear his voice and listen for his voice and understand when he's speaking to us. So it's a very good message at Victory Norcross. But I am getting ready to head out now. I changed my glasses to put on my Meta glasses so that I don't have to carry my DJI, which I'm on now. I'm just going to record on my glasses so that I can just take this very small purse. But I'm going to look at Five Below because I want to find some bag charms for my curve bags. I got a couple new curve bags. Let me turn this around. And hold on. So I do have this little chain right here on this one. I have some on my green one, but I want each bag to have like their own individual bag charms. Oh, look, it matches my cup. I didn't know that. But anyway, the only one I have on here is my name. And so I want to go get some more bag charms. My friend Karan just told me that they have them in Five Below. So I'm going to go there and look and see what they have. I also need to go to like TJ Maxx or Marshalls or something and get some towels. Long story, I washed my towels. I washed a good bit of towels with a blanket that was shedding really bad. And the towels got so much lint and stuff on them. I was just like, nah, throw them away. We'll get some more towels. So I need to do that. I don't know if I'm going to do that today, but we are going to head out. Oh, I also need to go to the beauty supply store to get some shampoo and some, what else did I need? Shampoo and like hair oil for our locks. But don't know if I'm doing all that, but we are getting ready to go out now. So let's go. Check out this beauty supply store. I've never been here, so let's see what they have to offer before I go over to the big one. They look kind of packed, like as in just a small store with a lot of stuff, but we'll see. Okay, so we done went in the hair store and spent $70. That was some of my bag charm money, but it's okay. We needed this stuff, so it's all good. Well, let's go to Five Below and get some charms. All right, let's try Dee Dee's discount. I've never been in there before. cute. Let's see, what are these? Those are for tumblers. Tumblers. Let's see these little bag charms. Let's see what they are. Cherries. Pearl. $5 for that. Nah. Nah, I'll pass on those. Alright, let's do a super quick haul. Don't judge my hair. I had a hat on. I'm gonna do my hair tonight. But anyway, let's see what we got today. So, I showed you that we got these peelers. And I've tasted this one, the peach ones. They were good. And then we got these for my bag. And you're supposed to be able to put your lip gloss in there. I have to test it out with my little round lip gloss. Hopefully it fits. But I got a pink one for one of the bags. And then this blue one hopefully will go with the blue bag that I have. So that's that. Oh, I also got these toppers, straw toppers, to cover the top of my straws on my tumblers. Then we got some towels from, I don't know if you ever went to Discount DD's, but we got some towels because I washed some of our towels with a blanket and they got too much lint on them. I was gonna try to get it off, I threw them away. And then we got some stuff from the beauty supply store. So we got some hair dye for this gray that's gonna get dyed. And we got some argan oil and Morocco shampoo, repair and strength. Always finding stuff to strengthen these locks. Then we got some mane and tail. I know y'all remember the shampoo, but this is hair strengthener. And then we got some silver earrings, some gold earrings, and some studs. And then I got this little fingernail clipper that's different. It's kind of sideways, so I figured it would be easier to use that way. And that is it. That's the haul. All right, guys, it is the next day, and I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here because I'm going to be starting a new one when I get ready to pack for our Texas trip a little later this week. And so, guys, thank you as always for watching. If you made it to the end, thank you. You're a real one. And I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.